This video will give step-by-step directions about how to create a food web using the graphic design program Easel. What is Easel? As I mentioned, Easel is a graphic design website that allows people to create custom infographics or use one of the many templates they offer. How to use Easel. The whole class will be able to use my email and password to log in. I have purchased the Pro account to allow for more access to the website. Here's a quick lesson review. What is a food web? A food web is an interconnection of food chains in an ecosystem. At this point, open your preferred internet browser and go to www.easel.ly. Log in by using the email and password that was provided to you. When you enter the website, you can explore other people's infographics. To create your own infographic, click Empty Template to bring you to your blank canvas to start your food web. It will bring you to this canvas. When you click the items, a blue box will appear around it. You can then delete each item, so you will eventually have a clear canvas to start your food web. Here is your clear canvas. You then click on the templates to select your background. Here's the background I selected. Since you want to be able to print your work on regular paper, you need to resize your canvas. Click Resize in the toolbar at the top and select Letter 8.5 by 11 inches. To begin your work, choose Upload. Then you can add files from your computer. You can either drag and drop or select the file from your desktop by using the Add Files button. Then you can move the image around as needed. As you see with the grass image, if you click on the image, a blue box will appear. That blue box lets you adjust the size and position of the image. Next, to add text, if you click on the toolbar at the top, you have the option of several different text boxes to include. I included the body text box. Here is the text box. You can double-click to change the text. You can also format the font however you would like by using the toolbar on the top. When the text box is available, you can move the text box around again by using the blue highlighted box after you write inside of the text box. Again, this shows a picture that was selected from my computer. Now I need to resize this picture. To resize it, you need to use the box on the corners to adjust the size and position as needed. To have the blue box appear, you just need to click on the image. Here are all the images that I'm going to use that are resized and repositioned. And as you can see, I did that again by using the blue box that comes around the image when you click on it. Now I'm going back to include a text box for each picture to label what the animal or plant is. I again select on the top toolbar text, and then I'm able to have a text box show up and double click to type in the box. That blue box is very important that is highlighted because that will help me move all of the text around so that it flows nicely in the food web. Here are all the completed labels for each image of the food web. Now, to include the arrows for my food web, I need to go into Shapes. When the shape is selected, it will appear on the canvas with a blue box around it. That again means you need to adjust the size and position using the corners of the box to drag your mouse to make the arrow larger or smaller. When the shape is clicked, you can also use the toolbar on the top to change the color and opacity. And my food web is complete using Easel. You can choose the print button to print on letter size paper.